How to see backup photos in Google Photos. So for that, first of all, open your Google Photos in your mobile device. And here make sure that you're logged in with the same account where you want to view your photos and videos that is backed up. Now once you land on this interface, navigate to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From this drop down box, tap on photo setting. And here you have to make sure that this backup option is turned on. After you turn on this backup option, your photos and videos will get backed up in your account. Now, if you want to see what exactly have been backed up in your account, which photos or videos is there in your backup in your account, what you have to do is open up the Chrome browser in your mobile device and on the search bar type in photos.google.com. After you search for that, you will directly land on this interface. Here you will be able to view all the photos and videos that is backed up in your account. Now, to view which account is logged in or which account is there, tap on the three-line icon from the top left corner, and at the right hand side there is a profile icon which shows which account that you're logged in. So this is the account where all these photos and videos have been backed up. This is how you can view your backed up photos and videos in Google Photo. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.